John did it, and it looked great.
But then he did.
Alex, I want you to try and stay more neutral on the bike, so you're. Well, I'm not accusing you of your legs being loose. It's a combination of the upper body and your lower body aren't working together, right? So I'm going to film it from back here, Albert, so you can see your elbow work. All right, I'm ready when you are. Keep them tight. Yeah, no, that was great. Can you do it again? Albert, that was good.
I think I spun a lot.
Last one, right?
Dude, Carter Clay's about to gap your ass with no whole set of ice.
Oh my God, that.
He's on the same bike as you.
3v3.
Yeah, besides that first, and then I went hard left, but.
I mean, the jump and the reaction is better today.
Yeah, it's because he hasn't been against Carter Clay.
I don't know. What's that one dude that it could like control your thoughts? Is that what he's doing? It was a what? Who is the superhero that Doctor Strange that could like read your mind?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Doctor Strange.
Yeah. That's what Carter Clay is to B. Walker.
Could read your mind? He might be able to. 20.
Good pull. So yeah, Carter Clay is in your
head.
In your head. Okay, we agree. Last one. Do one more.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to do it by yourself or on the gate? Yeah, so I can hear it. Yours are better this morning. Not like popping and dumping it. Okay, John, we're live. I just need a gate pointer.
Got you.
Rosebud, got me? It's that leg, yeah. And look what's happening. It's always your left leg because your right elbow is dropping.
Yeah.
So when the right elbow drops, to counterbalance the bike, you're coming out with the left. So what I would recommend, you see Adam's right elbow is a little bit higher than the left.
Yeah.
So when it's up and it drops, it's equal, not below. Watch, boom.
Yeah.
I mean, that's why I started filming from back here. Albert. Elbow square. Oh, I missed it. So that's the advantage of keeping the elbows the right one higher than the left. So then when you the gate drops, you give it gas. It's like you're balanced. And when you have a rut that's 15, 20 feet after the gate, it's about staying in the middle. If we didn't have a rut there, that wouldn't matter.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Alec, one more. Okay. Evan, when the gate's down, you go. Yeah, do one more. We won't raise the gate, we'll leave it down. We won't raise the gate, we'll leave it down. Too much clutch. Oh my.
Yeah! Warm up, puppy!
Please tell me you got that on film. Oh my God, she got it on film. My only criticism is this.
Especially too early, some other, I don't know who it was.
Like you're popping up, right? Yeah.
He did a 2-10-2, Alex did just 450.
Yeah.
Holes on me.
It's all right. It's just about the jump, right? But you can see it until there.
Yeah, that's what I think I need to work on the mode.
Oh yeah. I would just say that
Focus on the elbow?
focus on like if this is the hand that a kid can be 30 seconds off the pace and get the jump, get the shift, and wind up front.
Yeah. I think practicing starts are great. You got to practice starts.
Yeah.
It's so mental.
I know, but it's something where if you practice them, then when you roll to the gate on the weekend, then
for sure.
it's just procedure, right?
It's like what they're doing. They're just mentally tough.
Yeah, they're frazzled by now.
I thought I'd get you guys first lap. I came over CJ.
Next time I hit that jump, I'm gonna use RG walking out here right now.
Ellerman, how you feeling?
Alright. If I walk on it for too long, it starts to hurt.
Okay. John, I think one group.
Agreed.
Right? But I just want to do a couple motos and be done.
It's too cold to be fucking around out here.
Like we did our section work yesterday.
It's so windy. Like going down the straightaways.
Yeah, and tomorrow's a shitty day. But Joey, the idea is minimal clutch, right? You're doing a good job with that, so let's keep up that trend. And if you catch yourself using too much, identify why. Is it from the brake? Is it track? Whatever. I'm not recording lap times. I'm not doing the transponders because it really doesn't matter with the wind. It's more of, can you stick to the plan? So Gavin, I'm okay with the lap. I just feel like when you get into trouble, it's from the legs being too loose. So when you're rolling the power back on, coming out of the corner, make sure that both feet are on the foot pegs. Right? You can never go wrong with squeezing the bike more at the bottom, and that's what I want you to do. And when we're doing this environment, so you go out there and there's other riders around you, and you're going to want to like not do that. So I want you to stay in your lane. Blake, a little bit like your brother, but it's mainly the inside leg that gets loose with you. So no matter what's going on, I think that that if you tighten up the inside leg, roll that toe in the corners like we've been working on, you'll make far less mistakes. Kiana, how's the neck soreness?
It's alright.
Okay. I want you to ride the moto like sections. And I'm not
trying to focus on my hands, but then they get so cold and I can't even like feel them.
Never.
I know. It's
I'm trying to focus on like where dripping.
No.
Like I can't even feel my hands.
yeah.
Don't cut towards yourself.
So we'll do 5 laps. We'll come in, warm up. We'll do 3 of these, and that'll be it. Okay. It's about all the body will handle. If for some reason any of you want to ride more after the 3rd 5 lapper, you want to do sections with me, I don't care. We can do it. I'd like to get you a little bit more creative with the lines. Like you do some good stuff down here at that right-hander after the step up, but it's inconsistent. You know how you stay out of that fluff and use the feet to get the traction moving. But yesterday's section work, don't bury the bike. So the track has enough bumps and grooves to it to not just take the same thing, especially if we're not recording time and you guys aren't worried about time, then work on that creativity. Evan, what about you? Will the body hold up for 3 5s?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, probably.
Evan, when I fall behind.
Hold on a second. Evan, what's the goal?
Like smooth lines through the bumps. Like I struggle, like my suspension's very soft, so like just smoother.
You just kind of ride the track that's given to you? Drake.
Stay tight to the bike and use minimal controls.
Oh, I like that. It's a good one.
Is that a fancy word for clutch?
The clutch and the brake.
Clutch, brake, in unison. Not one more important than the other, but don't overcook them.
Right.
I like that. Alec, what about you? Alec, your goal? No crashes.
Yeah.
Well, fuck, you already crashed. Yeah. Okay, so from no more crashes.
Yeah.
Okay, Ethan.
I got you.
Get a better feel what my bike's doing and a good feel for the new suspension.
Okay, with the back being flat,
Yes.
I want you to try and look up as much as you can,
Yeah.
especially when the track gets,
You need it today.
yeah,
Chasing the hooks.
yeah, exactly, right? Albert,
Same thing as yesterday. Just keep my turns fluent. Like I'm want to stop losing momentum in them. Just keep my momentum.
the one thing I'll say is we're going to do one group, so you catch up to, let's say you catch up to Blake. Don't cut the track, right? But set up the pass. So Bentley, if you see the next person down the pipe is Blake or Rider X, whatever, set it up so you're not like stuck, right? That's something that, and if you're worried about that jump, which we're not, then we're all on the same page. First 5 lapper, I don't mind the order. It doesn't matter the order. Remember, the lap times aren't being recorded. I like this order so far. This is working.
I just farted when I caught my bike. It was pretty funny. You didn't hear it,
I'm ready. Too low?
So when I when I didn't shift up before the straightaway, I was getting kicked. And I was like,
And then you upshifted.
Shifted, like when I landed, it just went.
Okay, so you upshifted.
Yep.
Okay, because you
said downshift.
You just, yeah.
No, I said upshift.
Fun fact, my neighbor was throwing that bench in the garbage. Kelly's like, you should take that to the track. What you're sitting on? Yeah.
How did you fit it in the sieve?
I think we carried it to the garage and I put it in the van. I think that was a van find. That's right, you're never going to hear the end of it. Sure enough, out of fuel.
I got plenty of it.
All right. It happens to the best of us, right?
I didn't run out of gas.
No. Yesterday you didn't run out of gas? Need a little bit of help from the guy on the inside. You got to make the outside perfect. But that was good. You're moving around.
On top of
That's the
Fire is burning perfectly.
We have a well-being check on Clayton.
Yeah, he's right here.
What happened? Here, grab the end of this.
All right.
The line changed from the lap before, and I didn't have my eyes up enough, and I fucking sank my front wheel into the soft shit, and it stopped, and I didn't.